circular quay. We've got the tangara and the T4 running here. First one, we have a B set. We've got a B set coming in. Leaving, sorry. B8 for a Parramatta service. Now we should have a T4 tangara coming in for a City Circle service, which is really super rare. It's only this one, which will be coming soonish on platform 1. So hopefully I can get that before this Waratah comes in. Well, otherwise I have to go to the end. But anyway, hopefully we'll see when the train comes. Here's the tangara for the T4 going on the City Circle, which is super rare. T70 is the front first car. And then a stupid Waratah car in front. It's just doing a central bound service. And I can't see the rear one. And now we have a B set B40 coming in for a Sydenham service.
The train on platform 2 goes to Sydenham. First stop, St James, then Museum, Central, Redfern, St Peters and Sydenham.
Oh, the tangara's definitely departing. Oh well, this Waratah is now departing, which is about time, but wrong time. But anyway, yeah, glad I got that on video. We were doing a T4 service, and now we've got a Waratah departing platform 2 now. There's a tangara there.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Macarthur via airport stations.
Oh, now we should have a Livingston service and a Macarthur service.
East Hills, Oldsworthy, Glenfield, then all stations to Campbelltown and then Macarthur.
Never mind, we're just gonna have a Macarthur service coming in to platform 2. Thank you for watching, please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, bye for now, but also I'll quickly tell you what set it is, but yeah, bye for now. Set number, set that, it's slowly just creeping.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times and allow others to get off before boarding.
B set, B number 24. Hey, B24.
Platform 2 goes to Macarthur via airport stations. First
Thank you for
stop,
watching. Please subscribe if you haven't.
Museum, Central, Green Square, Mascot, Domestic Airport, International Airport, Walleye Creek, Rigsby, Canada, East Hills, Oldsworthy.
The rear part was T67. Finally found it.